everybody, it is day 4. Oh, hello, Seven. We are going to the beach and then we are going to cross country later. We did and about doing the sunrise ride because you can do that, it's an option. They're really good. They put like the tide times of when it's low and on in the morning and at night. So we looked, but it was a bit cloudy this morning. Literally came out at 3 o'clock and we're like, it's a bit cloudy today, so not going to bother. But yeah, we're going to the beach, aren't we, Sissy? Beach round 2. You're going to be a good girl, hopefully. She's a bit excited yesterday. She just doesn't stand still on the beach. It's so annoying. Rachel getting Billy Bob. There's Beck with Cara. Did you get that? Got that little tune on camera. Thanks, Billy. Oh. You okay? You sleepy? You won't be sleepy in a bit, will you? Rat bag. There we go. Getting ready. Every time. You should try and help. Looks a bit calmer today. Yeah. Oh. Seven just instantly. Good girl, you're alright. Alright. Come on. You're okay. Come on, you're fine. Oh, starfish! Starfish! Yeah, a little starfish. I think so. I don't really do much, do it? Sounds like I'm very unsure. look like. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. It's alright. It's alright. Good girl. Good girl. Someone's like, oh, how big have you been busy? Yeah. Come on. If you just walk, that's it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Wait, I can't hold her very long. No, no, get your head up there. Oh. Good boy! I'm just going to have a canter back because she's not standing. Okay. Okay.
can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of men, we're on an all-time high.
And just to clarify, this is my old saddle that is
The end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together.
I think Seven's gonna rear. Are you ready? Oh Jesus Christ! Shit! 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 My saddle! Wow! Wow! So I just wanted to do a little bit of an explanation about what happened here. Seven rears up and then shoots forward, and it just made my saddle just slide all over the place. And then what you'll see in a bit is I was literally halfway off here. That was the most scariest thing I've ever experienced. Even worse than the hunting. It's just literally just used for the beach. It's not being used again, that's for sure. So I was actually quite proud of myself for this quick thinking. I was like, right, the saddle's falling to the right hand side. I can't stop her. Like, I'm literally just going to hit the deck in a minute. So I turned her left in a circle and she stopped. I was like, oh my God. And then the saddle rerighted itself. So, oh, it was such a relief. I literally just like fell off at this point because my legs were shaking. Honestly, that's the scariest I've ever been on a horse. She was so good to finally listen to me. Thank the Lord. Stop, back! 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 No, my saddle's going! I don't know. Oh shit!
Ready? Right. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Ready? Go! Go, go, go! I'm not really sure what happened there.
I'm not sure, she looked like... We went right down past that. You saved that so well. Are you alright? Wait. It's so... when you lift me. Whoa! Whoa! Steady. Steady. Steady.
They brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights, and you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady, is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. I still think of you now, though my memories turning bleak. I'm still walking this road on my knees, they are ever so weak.
This way, Stairs. Oh, good girl. Good girl, Cara. Is she swimming, Hannah? Good girl, Cara. She lost that boot again. Good girl. That's it. Big feet. Up he goes. Oh, good girl, Stairs. Wow! Oh, good girl. No, keep going with Cara. Whoa. Steady. Steady. Now. It's like a big boat. Good girl, Cara. Nice. Good girl. Oh, great girl. Cara's like, Jesus, God, good girl. All the big feet. Yeah, no. Good girl. She's braver than last year, isn't she, bless her? Good girl. Good girl. This bit's like where they have to swim. Good girl. Well done. Good girl. Swimming to steady. Come on, Snuggle. This way. This way. Good. Oh, good boy. Oh, shit. Okay. That's it, good girl. It's on my reins. I'll attach it to my reins. Ooh! Good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, you must be really pleased. Good girl. I've still got your boot. Good girl, Cara. colder than yesterday. Good boy. Oh, Peter's about to swim. Have you got that on? Yeah. Oh, come on, we have no steering! Oh! Oh my god, he's cruising! He loves it! He does. Really? Yeah. Oh, good girl! Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she's nearly there. Good girl. Come on. Right. Yeah, she's been really good. What? Okay. Oh, Keep going. Come on then. Good boy. I got that. Off into the sunset they go. Good boy. Oh, Big Pete. Don't just scrape your nose now. Yep. Good lad, that was nice. Legs. Back. Peter, would you like a carrot? You've had one, Piglet. You've had one.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know.